Today I want to walk you through a demo project in Smart Preso that incorporates a wide range of our feature set, including a focus on database-driven content. Let's jump right into it. To open the project, we just double-click the folder here, Star Awards. Once images are cached, we'll come out to our native previs space. You can see in our timeline we have our currently selected cue sequence, and we can play through those cues right here. All text and images are being fed from this project's database, and all animations are being determined by a template, which we'll touch on a little bit later. In this view, we can go into our inspector and manipulate our models and screen objects. We're also able to adjust our view with intuitive mouse controls to make sure that the show looks great from all angles. You can even save camera placement bookmarks for quick access. When we go into our cue list, we can see our selected cue sequence along with others we've added. As you would expect, you can see program and preview feeds, including our previs. You can toggle which you prefer to be on top and bottom. Something we've worked very hard on is ensuring that Smart Preso cues are truly randomly accessible. You can click to any cue in the sequence from any other and it will transition smoothly and correctly without any additional prompting. Let's dive into these templates a little deeper to see how all of this is made possible. Here's the template that was powering the cues we just saw. Clicking on any of these objects reveals their properties. Each has a reveal and clear animation, which can be previewed right in this view. Let's say we want to change the reveal animation for our winner's photo. Simply click the drop-down menu for animation type and select your preferred motion. We'll have it fade in and rise from the bottom. It's just as quick and easy to adjust easing. Simply click the graph and choose if you want an ease in, ease out, or any other motion path available. Length of transition and delay is also available here, giving you a massive amount of control over your template's animations. And with no delay at all, if we go back into our presentation, you can see those updated animations have already been applied to the entire range of slides. Absolutely no need for any re-rendering. Making updates from the database is just as quick. Let's say we've been told that our winner Matt here actually prefers to go by Matthew. All we have to do is go into our web database and make the change. Here you can see the structure of this particular database and the types of entries it has, which is all used to feed our presentation. So we go to Matt's entry here, we see his name, region, picture, etc. To make the change, all we have to do is click Matt's name, update it with the desired text, and click away to save. Then we go back to Builder, select the database you'd like to refresh, and sync that database from the cloud. And just like that, you can see the update has taken place and you're ready for show. Let's do that one more time. Open the database, select the entry, update the information, click away to save, and sync from cloud. This same process applies to images in the database as well for all those last-minute headshot updates. There's a variety of other database linkage types available in Smart Preso as well. So let's quickly talk about one more being used in this demo, color tint. Let's take a look at the composition of one of our background loops. Here we have two feeds, one for the center screen and one for the outboards. We have our animation set and we can see its color. But if we look at our linkage tab, we can see color tint. That's because this video is actually grayscale and we're giving it all its color simply by a database entry. So how do we do that? We'll navigate to our region database and you can see we have names and colors for our 4 respective regions. All we have to do is click on the color and we can set it to any value we wish. Once established, you can assign those linkage items in Builder and apply that color tint to any piece of media. No need for multiple video renders of the same background just with different colors anymore. If we take a brief look at the cue sequence, we can see how this all comes together. Sequences are broken up into columns and tracks, and you can quickly tab through for fast review. Media gets dropped in and can easily be placed, extended, and repositioned as needed. We'll show a more in-depth look at sequence building in a future video. That's going to do it for this overview of how Smart Preso templates and databases can be used to streamline your event production process. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Smart Preso updates, and we'll see you next time.